In this world where everyone is finding ways to earn, people either choose the right way or the wrong way. But we have almost never considered the third, the weird way. So here at Perception TV, let's explore 11 of the weirdest jobs that will actually get you paid. Starting off with our personal favorite, the professional sleepers. Our very first reaction when we found out about this job was, wow, you actually get paid to sleep. These are basically of two types. The first type is hired to test the comfort of the hotel beds. These individuals sleep in different hotel beds and write reviews about their experience. The second type dozes off while the scientists conduct research on them for sleeping disorders. Well, how can someone sleep knowing that some research is being done upon them? Never mind, they are professionals for a reason. Tell us in the comment section below if you can sleep knowing that some kind of research or experiment is going upon you while you are asleep. Anyways, this undoubtedly has to be the most comfortable job on planet Earth. They get paid $337.5 per day, which is approximately more than 25,000 Indian rupees daily. 10th comes professional cuddlers. Even though this job may sound odd to you, but many people do pay for this service. These professionals get paid a lot of money, which is probably ideal for the imaginable awkwardness of the job. If you're missing your girlfriend, then just shell out some bucks and you get to cuddle or sleep next to a woman. Mind yourself, just cuddle.
ऐसे हालात में बेहतर यही है कि वक्त रहते इंसान सतर्क होकर अपने जज्बात को काबू में रखकर अपने कदम पीछे हटा ले.
They typically make $40 to $80 per hour, which is equal to 3,000 to 6,000 Indian rupees. On number 9, we have professional mourners. It is a tradition in Southeast Asian countries like India, Nepal, Bangladesh, Thailand, Sri Lanka, etc. that a loud funeral will assist the dead to the heaven. These mourners are hired to cry and weep throughout the service. We think we know a guy who is perfect for this job. They make $30 to $120, which is $2,000 to $9,000 per funeral, which lasts around 2 to 3 hours. If you think the Mumbai locals are bad, then you should surely see the trains in Japan. Oshias are hired to help cramp as many as people into a train as possible by pushing them from the outside until the doors will close. Japan is indeed a hardworking nation. It ensures that all people reach on work on time. So they are paid $10 to $20 per hour, which is around 700 to 900 Indian rupees. On 7th, we have odor judge. This job is perfect for people who like to poke their noses into others' business. Except for, these professionals poke their noses into others' armpits. They are hired by the deodorant companies and test the bad odor fighting power of the deodorants. Surely, a stinking job. Let's hope these products do well for the judges' sake at least. Well, how much would you charge for one session of odor judging? Do comment below. So these judges charge an average of $200 or 15,000 Indian rupees per tasting. You probably must have imagined about number 6, condom tasters. Ever wondered how there are so many varied flavors of condoms available and how they taste just accurate? Well, think no more. These professional condom tasters are hired by the condom brands in order to test the taste and smell of the condoms before releasing them. Of course, the sole motive of these companies is customer satisfaction. They are paid $250 to $330, equivalent to 18,000 to 25,000 Indian rupees per tasting session. Number 5. The next job is to make sure that your pet enjoys a tasty meal. Yes, it's the pet food taster. Whoever came up with this job must be a true animal lover, for sure. Or probably someone who likes to chew weird tasting food. Their job is to taste new pet food products which include bones, tinned meat, biscuits, etc. They do this in order to taste the flavors, textures in competition to other pet food brands. Obviously, most of them spit the pet food out before ingesting it. They charge around $140 per tasting session, which is 10,000 Indian rupees. Number 4. This is the only job on the list which is practically illegal but still rampant. So do you know about car plate blockers? In order to reduce congestion on roads, Iran government has employed a strange policy with the cars. They have adopted the odd-even formula, which allows odd and even number cars on every alternate days only. So these oil kings have found their way out. They hire men to walk behind their cars so that the traffic police and the traffic cameras don't catch their number plates. They work for $20 to $40 per day, which is 1,500 to 3,000 Indian rupees. Surely, you won't find a job more unusual than this. Yes, this job is exactly what it sounds like. Someone pays you to get in a bed and warm it up for them. Evidently, most people hate this concept, but in the most colder countries, they are okay with it. They are paid $10 per hour, which is around 700 Indian rupees. Number 2. This one you might probably have heard about. Rental boyfriend or girlfriend. Now you can hire rental girlfriends or boyfriends as per your needs. This has started soaring in China, Japan and some other South Asian countries. In case you are feeling lonely, but you are single, you might consider paying some bucks to rent a partner. Many even just hire them for showing off. There's a link down below in the description which offers this service, just in case you like to check it out. These people merely share their companionship and nothing else. On an average, they charge $385 or 28,000 Indian rupees per session. Do comment below which job you found the weirdest. And finally, on rank 1 of the weirdest jobs, we have stink pea paramedics. Jellyfish stings are very common in North American beaches, and these stings are unbearable. The ones require quick medical assistance because they are acutely painful. But the only first aid available is a pretty weird one: human urine. Yes, the stink pea paramedics are hired at beaches and are given the responsibility to pee on the wounds by the stings of a jellyfish. Now you know why this job is ranked number 1. They make around $30 to $50 a day, which is around 2 to 3.5 thousand Indian rupees. It took us a whole day to make this video, but it will take you a second to like it and show your appreciation and subscribe to keep us motivated. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to Perception TV to get curiously interesting videos. Any suggestion for interesting video topics? Do tell us by commenting below.